guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm so excited because I'm going to be sharing with you guys the way that I make a fruit pizza. And don't think it's something that is disgusting and like marinating pizza and fruit. So I know I've had those stares before. It's nothing like that. It is actually a dessert with a sugar cookie, frosting, and fruit. It is so delicious. It's so yummy. And I have been doing this for a while and a lot of people really like it. So I figured I would do a video on how I make it and prepare it. So y'all can make it too. And I'm pretty sure if you have kids, they will fall in love with this if they like the fruit that you put on it. I feel like kids like only will eat it if fruit that they like is on it, or they'll like take away that fruit. But yeah, let's get started, and I hope that you guys think it's as good as I think it's as good. So you guys enjoy this, and without any further ado, like the video, subscribe, and let's get started. So you're obviously gonna need a sugar cookie. I go the Lazy Lindsay route and just buy a dough that's already made from my local groceries. I think I got this from Kroger, or you can get it from Walmart or anything like that. You can make yours, it will be even better. Or if you want to be a little bit more, I don't know, fancy, is it even fancier? I have no idea. You could get the little actual cookies that are like this, and they turn out so pretty. So I don't know if I'll be putting some out and doing some of these today or not, but we'll see. So you can either do this or that other one or both. So whatever floats your tea or your boat. And you're obviously going to be needing a cooking sheet. The one that I have is like a pizza for a pizza pan. It is so big, but if you don't have one of these, you can definitely just use a regular cooking sheet. I've done that before, so it's completely up to you on what you like and what you have at home. Make it easier for yourself. So if you have a pizza pan, you can use this, or you can use a regular cooking sheet. It's completely up to you. So that, and then you need a cooking spray or butter or something to just spread on there so it doesn't 100% stick on there. I know that I normally just go in, don't use parchment paper or anything like that, and just put it on this. So it's the way that you make your cookies. So it's totally up to you how you want to do it. But because I forgot my cooking spray because I ran out of it, I'm going to be using butter, and I'm just going to be spreading a little bit, just not too much, a little bit on the pan so it doesn't stick to there. So yeah, let's get to rolling. Now I will be making this for other people, so I'm going to wear gloves. I don't know, I could use my hands, it's just for family, but I'm going to use gloves because I don't know, I feel like it's better to use gloves, I guess. Before I get to cutting, preheat your oven to 350. Okay, so here's my pan, here are my hands, obviously. Here is the butter that I'm gonna spread on there. Of course, if you have the spray version, I would do spray. It would be better than this, but since I forgot it at the grocery store, we will just be using this. The trick to this is grabbing a little bit of a napkin and going into it and just grabbing a little bit and kind of just spreading it around.
Just like that. Okay, and I'm just gonna take any excess off because we don't need too much. We just need enough.
In half, so it would be easier to get out. Now we're just gonna dump it on here. And we're gonna start to smash. Now you wanna start kind of making it rounder. You wanna do this, push it in to make a round shape. That way it looks pretty. So I'm needing Philadelphia or your favorite kind of cheese cream. This one's mine, and I did let it soften. If you don't know how to soften it, heat up a cup with water, take the water out and put it in the cup, and that will soften it for you. Do not put it in the microwave because you don't want it to be hot. So you will be needing a bowl, of course. If you have a hand mixer, that would be a lot easier. It would save you some time and some effort, but since we don't, we will be using this. So it's okay, it's fine. And then your cream cheese, your sugar, and your vanilla. Crap, I'm going all over me. And put that. Need 1/4 cup of sugar. Put it in there. 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla. I normally just go eyeballing it. That might have been a little bit too much, but it's okay. The more the merrier, they say. And now we're just going to mix. And we're gonna let the cookie dough chill for a while till it's semi-cold, semi-not. It'll take about 20 or so minutes. And while that's happening, we're gonna put this in the fridge for a little while. Now for the fruit, it is completely optional and it is to your own preference. What kind of fruit do you like? What kind of fruit does your family like? So for me, we love to add kiwi in ours. It just gives it such a great flavor. It ties everything together. The blueberries are so good in it. The strawberries are obviously key, and then blackberries depending if you like them, and obviously peaches depending if you like them. You can use the mandarins as well. So it's completely up to you and the desired fruit that you like. I'm going to go in, and everybody cuts their kiwis differently. I'm going to show you my own way. We're going to take off the stickers, so put those away, and then we are going to start to cutting up the kiwi. Do I cut it? Yeah, I'll cut it this way. When looking for kiwis, I like to look for kiwis that are softer because I find that the softer they are, the juicier they are. So this is how I normally peel my kiwis. Everybody is so different, so don't judge me.
Then I will go in and take this off, and when it's to the little edge, I will just snap it.
It's gonna cut up little circles.
So this is how I cut my strawberries. I like them to be kind of big and heart-shaped, so that's how I like to do it. Blackberries.
So we have our cookie here, our fruit over here, and then our filling over here, our frosting. I'm gonna start putting the frosting on here and just start spreading it around. And I will start placing them on the outer. So much for watching the video. That is all. Here is the fruit pizza. It smells so delicious and so yummy, and I am so ready to pig in and eat, but since it's not for the house, it's actually for my in-laws, I won't be eating this here. I'll be eating it down there. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I enjoyed so much filming it, and that is all. So I hope that if you've never tried this, you need to try it because it's so good.